A constitution is an exercise of act of sovereignty. In whom does sovereignty reside? Answer me. The people. Sovereignty resides in the people and all government authority emanates from them. That is what our Constitution says. Kaya, hindi sa makapangyarihan yung papel na yon, kundi makapangyarihan ang taong bayan na sumulat ng papel na iyon. A Constitution is an exercise of the sovereignty of the people. Kaya, sinusunod natin, hindi dahil sa nakasulat dyan, kung hindi dahil sa yan ang kagustuhan ng taong bayan. That is a Constitution. Ngayon, ang Constitution pwedeng palitan din ng taong bayan. You can do that either by normally by convening a constitutional convention. Pero, then you will have to have the question of representation. Whom shall we represent in the constitutional convention? Maybe 2 people from every legislative district? Di ang dami nun.